Previously, I had made a video in which I replaced an old fluorescent light under the kitchen cabinets with an LED sconce. In that video, I showed how to install a hardwired version of the LED sconce. And I've been meaning to install such wall sconces to light up the staircase that gets pitch dark at night because I removed a large chandelier that used to hang over the staircase. But I kept putting off installing the sconces because of the electrical wiring work that would be involved. Well, I recently discovered that you can buy similar looking LED sconces that are battery operated so that no hard wiring is needed. These are sold as a pair on Amazon by a seller named Goyo Joe. So these lights are rechargeable using a common USB cable, and you can switch them on like a regular lamp by switching from O, which is the off position, to the 2 bars position. Also, the lights can be controlled by sensors when you switch to the 1 bar position, so the light will turn on automatically when the area is dark and motion is sensed, and then stay on for a brief period of time. You can install these sconces anywhere by attaching these metal plates to the wall wherever. And the thin layer of magnet on the back of the sconce will allow it to stick to the metal plate and keep it in place because the sconce is super light. Even though they look like frosted glass, the sconces are actually made of lightweight acrylic, so you can pull them off to recharge them and then put them back after they're charged. These battery operated sconces are pretty small, so they look kinda silly right next to this disproportionately enormous wall mirror. But I needed to install them somewhere on this wall, so I decided to make them seem like they were part of the mirror. You don't need any tools to install these sconces, not even a screwdriver, because the metal plates have an adhesive backing, so you can easily and quickly install them anywhere, and this is where I install them. They don't really look like wall sconces the way I install them, but for the purposes of lighting the staircase as night lights, they were perfect.